Hello there! If you are here watching this video, you might be one of those people who find it hard to make money online without that much of an effort. So if you are that person, you've come to the right place because today I will show you the easiest way to earn up to $100 a day online with this technique. Because you are watching right now, YouTube is probably the first thing you go into when you look for ways to earn money. And surprisingly, a lot of people do watch YouTube videos, and for different kinds of reasons. So by doing this technique, you can earn a lot just by doing what you always do, watching YouTube videos. And this is absolutely free. But before we dive in deeper, consider subscribing to the Money Kings and click on that notification bell and be ready to get updated with the latest, easiest, and the best possible ways to earn money from the comfort of your home. Now that you've subscribed, let's dive right in. There are several steps, but the first thing you have to do is open youtube.com. After opening it, you will find a ton of YouTube videos. And by that, I mean a lot of videos. Now you choose a video that you like the best. Click on that video, just like I did here. It is best if you could watch a little bit of that video, at least 30 seconds to a minute, to see if it is interesting enough. The more videos, the more money you can make. And by doing it over and over, it could be an endless flow of cash coming right into your account. Now, right after doing some more steps, you would be making bucks while sipping on your coffee cup, sitting on the couch just inside the house. Sounds too good to be true? If that's the case, you can check other people's testimonies and prove it yourself that such a thing could exist, and I am here to teach you how. So watch till the end and don't skip the video so that you won't miss a thing. If you don't have a YouTube account yet, then you would have to sign up first. Now, once you have a YouTube account, you can click on the Explore button right here, and you will see different categories like sports, news, gaming, movies, etc. There you can also find trending and see what's in the latest and most viewed videos in those categories. For example, if you would click gaming, you would find a lot of videos about Minecraft, League of Legends, Valorant, and many more. Or, if you might be a big fan of sports, you would see tons of the latest NBA news and updates. Now, as you can see, there are literally millions of views in this category. With these views, these people are making crazy amounts. And by utilizing what is trending right now, you can also earn as much as others by doing this over and over again, using different trending YouTube videos. So stay tuned and watch till the end so that you won't miss a thing. The website that you need to open is called 7or6.com. When you type that on your browser, you will be directed to a website that looks like this. First of all is you will need to create an account by clicking on the sign up button at the top right corner on your screen. Then, you just fill in all of the information needed, like your suggested username, email, and password. Then, click Agree and register your account for free. Once you have logged into your account, what you will be doing is you are going to shorten URLs or links and earn money. It is just as easy as that. No need to put much effort, and you can earn a lot by just doing it in your laptop or on your phone. Now, you have to go back to youtube.com and copy the link of the video that you chose by clicking the icon that looks like an arrow and has the word share on it. Once you clicked it, several ways to share will pop out, but the one you are going to do is to copy the link. Then you would go back to the website 7or6.com, click on the new shorten link, and paste that link of that YouTube video that you chose, and start shortening your video URL. When you are done copying that new link, save it for later because you are going to need it. The thing to remember here is that you should focus on videos that are trending and would get a lot of views. For example, if you would check the gaming category, one of the most trending videos are the Arena of Valor live streams. Now, if I would click on this one, I would say a lot of people are watching this live streaming, and I know it would make me a lot of money. So again, what you need to do is click on this video and click on the share button and copy its link. Let's go back to 7r6.com and paste the link and start shortening it. Once done, we can change the alias into Arena of Valor, and now we have successfully shortened the link, and we need to save it for later. For now, let me teach you the last step, which is going to be the platform you would use to paste your new shortened URL. Now that you've reached this far in the video and you are not yet subscribed, then you should click on that red button and be subscribed to the Money Kings and to be updated with the fastest and most convenient ways to earn money online. Getting back to the video, there are a lot of platforms you can use. The easiest one is Facebook. By posting your new URL to gaming Facebook groups, you can easily get people who are interested into clicking your new URL. And every time someone clicks on your link, they will be redirected to the YouTube video that you copied earlier. And you would get paid for each click that you get. And just like that, by repeating the process, you could be making tons of cash. It is also best that you go to the steamcommunity.com and sign up if you don't have an account yet. I want you to post your shortened link in the Steam community where you would find people who are also interested in a video. For example, you can post the shortened URL of the Arena of Valor video and post it on those different gaming hubs in the Steam community. You can add something like saying how amazed you are at the live stream you're watching right now. Then post your new shortened URL. With that, several people will surely click on that link and voila! You are making money off of YouTube videos. Then, all you have to do is do it again using a different video and repeat the same thing. This is the way others are also making money just by watching YouTube videos. Most people are watching YouTube videos every minute, but they are not making money from it. So why not earn money from doing what you would already be doing, watching YouTube videos? Now that you learned how to earn money by watching videos, try it yourself and start living debt-free just by doing what you always do. You can watch this video again and again as a guide to keep earning using 7or6.com. If we help you with this one, we want you to share this to your friends or anyone who is looking for ways to make money online. Don't forget to check out our other videos on how to earn money online and find other ways to keep making money using your laptop and phone. Here at Money Kings, we want the best for you, so check us out and watch all of our videos. Click that red button to like and subscribe if we helped you. Until next time, thank you for watching!